Hello, crafters and artisans, and welcome back to Psychedelic Squid Fiber Arts. Today, I'm going to show you how to quickly fix your polycord drive band. This is not meant to be a permanent fix, and I probably could just replace this with a thread drive band, but this Kromsky spinning wheel works best with these thicker polycords, and I really wanted to finish what I was spinning. So, to start, you'll need heat shrink tubing for electrical wires in the appropriate size, a lighter, super glue, water, and a paper towel. To start, place the heat shrink tubing over one end of the drive band and place a dab of superglue on the end. Hold the ends together for 15 to 30 seconds and then move the heat shrink tubing up over the joint. This polycord melts really easily, so to shrink the tubing and not melt the cord, I'm using a wet paper towel to cover the exposed drive band. I'm going to go over the heat shrink tubing quickly and try to keep the flame from coming in direct contact with the drive band. Once I've shrunk the tubing so it holds onto the drive band, I'm going to let it cool and put it back on my wheel. So far, this has been working for applying 4 ounces and spinning 8 ounces of singles on it without issue. Again, this is meant to be a semi-temporary fix until my new drive band comes in the mail. Thank you all so much for exploring the depths of your creativity with me. Please let me know if you have any questions or comments in the section below, and I'll see you next time.